Expectations drive our behavior. Why do you care about the weather forecast? If you are like most, it is due to the impact that the weather will have on your plans. I was scheduled to teach my police leadership class a few years ago on a Monday, December morning in New England. When I checked the weather forecast on Sunday evening, the report was that the weather for the next couple of days was to be uneventful. When I awoke the next morning, the first snow of the season had fallen. Two problems immediately presented themselves. One, snow was not expected, and two, it was the first snow in months, and that tends to affect how people drive. Attendees were traveling in from all over the state, and nearly all were late to arrive. The reason? Their expectations were violated. The expectation that they held was for clear roads and no predicted concerns, so they established their wake-up time obligations and route accordingly the night before. When they awoke, they were beyond a point of correction, and the consequence was to not achieve their goal of on-time arrival. Their frustration with the situation over which they no longer had control was significant. I am currently seeing a similar situation present itself with multiple coaching clients who are preparing for their promotion oral boards and assessment centers. In one case, the testing process date, which had been announced months in advance, was changed without a new date being set. The original date had established an expectation to which candidates had been preparing. The removal of that date without announcing the new date created a significant frustration. On the opposite end of the spectrum, another one of my clients works in an agency where there is a predictable pattern for when promotion processes will occur. However, an unexpected personnel change caused the process to be moved to a date many months sooner than expected. As in the delayed process, frustration resulted for those who had planned their preparation schedule based on their original expectations. One of the best ways to deal with unforeseen expectation changes is to create a contingency plan. Contingency planning should start with, what if the expected date for my promotion process is sooner or later than I thought it would be? What can I do now to assure that I will be at maximum readiness? Having and working with a contingency plan can put you way in front of your competition come exam day. If you're looking for more guidance on how to excel at your oral board, go to finest.com and see if coaching, a workshop, or the online e-learning oral boards made easy for police promotion course is right for you. And if you have not yet secured or renewed your coaching reservation, be sure to contact me through the website today.